And a very good morning everyone. So today we are starting a new journey. It's a great journey. South India we are going to explore. Our cab is already here. So we have finally reached CST and about to board Udyan Express, right? And we have booked AC first class for all of us, for both of us. So that's going to be an interesting experience. So guys, we are at the station now and let me show you around. So guys, let's go inside and see what's there in a coupe. Okay, so that's a coupe. Just it's huge. The seats are very huge. Here we are. That's a personal space. We have got a full room inside a train. How good is that?
Here we have personal lights and everything. You can have the bell button as well. From there you can call the people for something. You can switch off the light and we can get the night lamp. You can have the privacy, extra space. It's nice.
bensound.com.
Hey guys, so finally we are at our destination. As you can see, that's KSR Bengaluru. It was really very nice to celebrate our first ever New Year together in train. So after coming from Bangalore, we headed straight to Kengeri. We were accompanied by
Hello, wish you
our
a
very
happy
own,
New Year.
a very happy New Year to all of you. So that's Goldie Bhaiya. Like we are staying at his place, and that's Pooja. Let me introduce you to my father-in-law as well. Jai Shri Ram. So we all are heading right now to Stories. That's a pub. We are also going to have a pit stop at
Kebab Mahal.
Kebab
we
Mahal.
have a chicken roll.
They serve really great kebabs, really great chicken kebabs. And the other thing that it is popular for is their grape juice, the pulpy grape juice that they serve. So guys, we have finally reached Kebab Mahal. Initially I mispronounced it as Kebab Mahal. Okay, so that's the shawarma roll that we are talking about. Got to go inside. Okay, so we have got our shawarma roll. So shawarma, so Pooja, from when are you fan of this chicken shawarma roll?
4 to 5 years.
So let's see what the hype is all about. Pooja, you have to give a detailed review about all of this, okay? And how does it feel? Oh ho ho. Divya wala expression I can see on Pooja's face. हासिले महफिल जायका है इस जगह का. That's what
Vinod Dua sir says.
as Vinod Dua sir says. आत्मा तक पहुंचने वाला जायका.
They have very thin shawarma roti,
Okay.
which I don't get it anywhere.
Okay.
And the
Okay.
chicken which they used to mince it first
Right.
and then they used to put it.
Okay.
So this kind of variety I only get in Kebab Mahal, nothing else.
Okay. We have also got ourselves fruit juice, the grape juice, which also is very popular, but it's very cold. So we'll finish our business at Stories, and then we'll have our grape juice. So finally at this beautiful place called Stories. We had booked the place for 6, but we are 4 at this point of time. So they have their open space. That's the open space you can see. So that's Goldie Bhaiya without the mask. That's Pooja. That's my father-in-law, Shri Ashok Lalwani. Okay guys, so it was too noisy there at the pub time, so I would like to give you a brief review what we had. So we had paneer, that was peppy paneer that we had, and other than that,
Chicken lollipop.
chicken lollipop we had, and there was nutties, something called
Yeah.
nutties that was there, and apart from it,
Yummy pizza.
and the veg delight pizza. So these were the 4 items that we had, and I must tell you the food was really good. It was really tasty and tangy. We won't regret. The music was a little high, but it was enjoyable. We had some great conversations there, and we had some good time. So I would recommend Stories. On a scale of 5, I would rate it about 3.5 to 4. 4 would be a good rating. Apart from it, if you are searching it on Google and going there, so please don't try that because we made the same mistake. So Mantri Alpine is the place that you should search for, and opposite to it you would get Stories. Juice review was pending, and Pooja is all set. So we are at Goldie Bhaya's home, and we are all set to give you the taste review of the grape juice. So we are ready. We have removed the packing, and now she can give you a taste review.
Yes.
जैसा सोचा था वैसा ही पाया या कुछ कम ही लग रही है?
Pulpy and tasty.
Pulpy and tasty. It's good. It's really good. Our first day at Bangalore. I hope you are enjoying the series. For today, we'll wrap up this and see you all tomorrow. Good night.